And they're off. Gracie Hanover was going to charge out of there, and she made a break instead. So first away from between horses. Dancing in the Hall kicks out quickly and crosses over. Southwind Hope is moving up into the second spot. Miss Tesla on the inside third. Haughty from the outside. Gin and Lindy is moving up between horses. White Lake Hanover sixth on the inside as they trot the turn. Margarita M would like to follow Haughty in the cover flow. Also off stride on the inside. Rule of Hall from that trailing position. Moving up into eighth is New Leaf, taking over ninth as Thankful Reward as they hit the opening quarter in just 28-2. Still on a break is Rule of Hall, and after the break leaving Gracie Hanover 11th and trailing the field. So they're on to the backstretch, and Dancing in the Hall leads at a length. Southwind Hope is right on her back, bump drafting the leader's helmet in second. Miss Tesla behind them racing in third. Fourth on the inside is Gin and Lindy. White Lake Hanover to the outside waiting for the cover flow to form up. Miss Tesla comes first over. Gin and Lindy will follow her. Haughty is driving up in traffic, saving ground but locked at the rail as they reach the half in 58-2, only 30 seconds in the second quarter. Fourth over on the outside is Margarita M. New Leaf trots past her at the rail. She too, though, is pinned on the pylons. Then racing in ninth as they head around the turn is Thankful Reward, who has a lot of horses to pass. Further back is Gracie Hanover, and after the break, it's Rule of Hall is far behind, trailing the field as they circle the far turn, nearing three quarters. Dancing in the Hall on the inside has the lead, but Miss Tesla is wearing her down on the outside, and these two are stride for stride through three quarters in 1:27-2. Miss Tesla for Brett Miller is powering past on the outside of the lead. Dancing in the Hall at the rail. Southwind Hope trying to find some racing room, and Gin and Lindy looks to kick off cover on the outside and is coming. It's Miss Tesla. Gin and Lindy up to her wheel on the outside. Miss Tesla, Gin and Lindy trying to slingshot past is coming. Miss Tesla, Gin and Lindy. Miss Tesla fights her off to win it. Gin and Lindy second, Southwind Hope third. Haughty was fourth in 1:54-2.